How to return Savana products. I'm going to tell you how to return Savana products. First, check if your items is still within the return window. Savana gives you 14 days from the delivery date. Next, go to their official website and log into your account. Find the order you want to return and click Start a Return. You will be asked to choose a reason and confirm the item's condition. Follow the prompts and download and return shipping label. Pack the item securely, attach the label, and drop it off at the courier stated on the return instructions. Once it's received and inspected, your refund or exchange will be processed within a few days. Simple steps, no stress, just make sure it's unworn, unwashed, and in its original packaging.